Okay, they're done. Bam! It's a muffin. So, I don't know how it tastes. I haven't tasted it yet. It smells pretty good. So, let's get a fork out and taste it. Maybe I can be like one of those TV chefs that are like, ooh, it's so good. I wish you were here to taste it with me. I do wish you guys were here to taste it with me. I love to cook for people. I love to entertain. Still, you can see the steam still fresh out of the oven hot. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Since this is kind of a healthy recipe, again, I'll post the website and the recipe for you. It's a little, the whole wheat's a little different, but I'm kind of a natural person, so I'm okay with that. But if you want to use regular flour in this, it'd probably be good. You can also do fun things like substitute the sugar for maple syrup or honey. Just have fun, play with it, you know. It's pretty good though. I think it'll be a win. It'd be really good with some butter on it. But anywho, hope you guys have enjoyed this sourdough recipe, and keep looking for more to come. Keeps me busy. I want to do a pizza dough. If you guys have any recommendations on what you'd like to see for a sourdough recipe, shoot them my way, and hopefully I can find something that suits your needs or your curiosities. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you guys soon.